What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to change the turn signal on this 2002 Ford F150. This is a 2002 Ford F150 5.4 liter V8 Triton. As you can see, somewhere on this truck, now I'm not exactly sure where, but somewhere we have a bad turn signal on the passenger's side. I'm not sure if it's front or back. We're going to figure that out. We know we have a bad turn signal because when we turn on the engine, hit our turn signal switch, look how fast that's blinking. Now let's check to see whether it's the front or the back. Front turn signal's working good. Back turn signal's not working at all. Let's get that changed. First thing that we do to change this turn signal is we drop the tailgate. Inside here, there's two bolts. One right there, if you can see, and one right there. Let's take those out. To get that out, we have a 5 16 inch deep well and a 4-inch extension on a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Stick it straight into that hole, get it on there, take them out. Be careful not to drop that bolt down the well. Push the socket very hard onto the bolt so that it pulls it out on the way out. Now this cover should be able to be removed. On second glance, both of these actually look good. I see a little bit of burnt or something in the side of this one, but I can't see anything obviously wrong. We might have a deeper problem or not. Let's test that. Take the bolts out of the other side and swap these bulbs and see if that fixes the problem. This is a known good bulb. A little bit hot, be careful. Switch the bulbs. Let's put that passenger side turn signal back on. Look at that, and it works. That's how we know that this bulb is bad. Let's go get another one of these. People might lose their minds when they see me break those clips off, but honestly, I think it's pretty much worth it. Let's put this back together. Upon closer inspection, we can actually see exactly where this bulb failed. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you can see on that secondary winding, there is actually a split on there. Let's go to our closest parts store and get another one of these. Every bulb should have some markings on it. If you can see right here, let's set that focus. P27/7N. 7W, I'm sorry. P27/7W. That's what you need to look at to figure out what bulb you need. Okay, we got the bulbs here. It's about $15 for 2 of them. Here's the old one here. Turn signal's working. Look at that. Job is done.